it is time for Karen Reed's defense lawyers to try to convince a jury that she is not guilty of killing her police officer boyfriend. She's been tried again for the crime after a hung jury in her first trial. Prosecutors rested their case yesterday. Christina Rex is outside the courthouse in suburban Boston. Christina, good morning.
Good morning, Nate. Well, the prosecution's case lasted 23 days. It involved nearly 40 witnesses, and it included more than 25 news clips of Karen Reed herself talking about the incident.
Could I have run him over? Did he try to get me as I was leaving and I didn't know it?
As their final piece of evidence, prosecutors played clips from a recent documentary of Karen Reed questioning whether or not she hit John O'Keefe, her Boston police officer boyfriend.
What if I ran his foot over? Or what if I clipped him in the knee and he passed out?
Reed's accused of hitting O'Keefe with her SUV after a night of heavy drinking and then leaving him to die on a snowy night in 2022 in Canton, Massachusetts. Her lawyers have framed it as a police conspiracy.
I'm declaring a mistrial in this case.
And her first murder trial ended in a mistrial last year.
A huge part of the prosecution's case in chief was testimony from multiple witnesses that Karen Reed, on the morning of finding John O'Keefe's body, said, I hit him, and putting up that final videotape footage of her. I think that was really powerful evidence to close on, because it is essentially Karen Reed asking, could she have committed this crime?
Prosecutors steered clear of witnesses who may have complicated their case this time around. Their final witness, a crash reconstruction expert, led to tense cross-examination.
Nowhere in your report do you present a force calculation for Mr. O'Keefe's right arm, do you?
Correct. We didn't have enough information. There are taillight fragments, a broken glass, lacerations to his arm, and his DNA on the back of the vehicle in the area of the taillight.
Reed has maintained her innocence and teased her defense team's plan, leaving court Thursday.
Will you testify?
TBD. How long will your case last? Karen Reed says her team's first witness will be Matthew DeSogra. He's a car data expert. So the same way the prosecution's case ended with evidence about Karen Reed's Lexus, the defense's case will begin. Adriana?
Christina, thank you so much.